Shalom. So we're going to look at the flood of Noah. We're going to calculate how many days in a year using the flood of Noah and using the solar lunar calendar, right? Now, there are people that use different calendars. Some understand the solar lunar, some the Roman calendar, and some of those who understand the Roman calendar are not able to perceive the understanding outside of the box of the Roman calendar. So we'll be using two different things. So I'm gonna go very slow because we're dealing with people who already understand outside of the Roman calendar and people who are still inside. All right. Now there are certain things we need to understand about year, right? Now, when you deal with year, you just deal with a period of 12 months. But a period of 12 months is the time period of a year, as well as a year meaning from the beginning of spring to the end of winter, right? So we're going to look at few things here from the solar lunar perspective and from the Roman perspective. All right, so to understand calendar, there are certain key points that we have to understand first. For example, when you deal with year, you're dealing with 12 moons, right? And each moon carries either 30 days or 29 days, no more, no less, right? Therefore, a year can only have 354 days or 355 days. Now, this broken down into season, that's the most important part, and that is when you understand a calendar, because anyone can say anything about a year, but no one is going inside to break down the details to check the accuracy of it, right? So it's just like you're in an exam and the teacher give you some maths work to do. You may come up with the correct answer at the end, but you get an F for understanding because you were not able to break down the details. Wherein, if it's a case where you broke down the details, you can get an A for understanding even if you arrive at the incorrect answer, right? So when you can break down a year to see exactly what happens, then you have a great understanding. So now let's look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those who use solar lunar, they'll understand this. For who use Roman, they'll have in their mind Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even though it's not the same. However, because it's the same in numbers or in values, then we can use it, right? Also, we're dealing with 12 months in a year. So even if they have January, February, March, April, whatever, we who understand solar lunar, we understand moon 1, moon 2, moon 3, moon 4, moon 5, moon 6. And also, another thing about a year, it has 4 seasons. So you understand 1, 2, 3, spring. 1, 2, 3, summer. 1, 2, 3, fall. 1, 2, 3, winter. And then you're back to spring again, right? Now, the next thing is when counting, what happens is that we usually think like in this culture, how we think is, for example, today is what, Tuesday. We would say Tuesday to Tuesday is a week, but that's incorrect. Now let's say my friend's birthday is Monday, the 1st of September, and my brother's birthday is the following Monday, and my uncle's birthday is the following Monday after my brother's birthday. What you will perceive is that the birthdays are on the 7th and the 14th of my brother and my uncle, but that's not so, right? We have to understand that Monday to Monday is 8 days, not 7. And this is why people who are stuck with the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, they don't really understand this, why we go by the 1st, the 8th, the 15th. Because from Monday to Monday is 8 days, not 7. Right? So that's also something you have to discern with over a period of time. You will get it if you keep, working at it. So now we get that out the way. Now, when dealing with seasons, it's not just random numbers of days. It has specifications. A season carries either 88 days or 89 days. Right? So the first 3 months, it can only have 88 days or 89 days. No more, no less. And what a lot of people will do is try to adjust the calendar so that it fits whatever they're trying to, the point that whatever point they're getting across, right? No, that's not teaching in truth. That's adding to or taking away. Because once you get to change a person's perspective, it doesn't literally mean to say you take a word out of the Bible. You changing the person's perspective, it's also altering things. You're altering the word of the Most High, right? Now, like I said, the season, it has 88 days or 89 days. No more, no less. So you cannot come here to say, oh, spring is 90 days, then you come back over there to say summer is 78 days. No, the Most High doesn't work like that. All right. So once you can break down your spring season, and also spring is not a time that you check on your calendar to see if it's spring. You check for a location of the sun, which is direct east, right? 0 degrees, direct east, and that is the spring. So the new moon, when the sun is there, that is the beginning of the season. Then it starts to travel what? North of the east, and you go into longer days as you move into your summer, right? And it's the opposite for when it comes to fall and winter. It goes south of the east, right? So we have to understand those things to understand a biblical year. All right. Now, let's get into this journey of Noah, but we're not going to try to astro project to so many years ago. We're going to do it as today, 2022, right? So Noah, matter of fact, let me get the scripture out. Now, this is Genesis chapter 7 and verse 6. It says, and Noah was 600 years old when the flood of waters was upon the earth. Now, let me get this out. 600 years, Noah's age. It doesn't mean that it is saying it is year 600. For example, I am 35 and I'm doing this calculation in year 2022, right? So we're dealing with the years of Noah's life at this point. Now, moving down to verse 11, it says, in the 600 year of Noah's life, just as I explained before, in the second month, the 17th day of the month, the same day were all the fountains of the great deep broken up and the windows of heaven were opened. So we're dealing with the 17th day of the second month, right? So for solar lunar calendars, we understand that the second moon, the 17th day. For people who use who have the Roman mindset, February 17. So let's say this is one day here, right? The 17th of February. It means that, how many days would gone out of the year already? You lose 1 month and 16 days, not 17 days, 16 days, right? So it means when we finish this journey, going all the way through, we're supposed to come back here, not here, right? Again, Sunday to Sunday is not the same as Sunday to Saturday. Sunday to Saturday is a period of seven days. Sunday to Sunday is 8 days. So you have to finish the day before the 17th. All right. So let's start the journey here. Let's read again. In the 600th year of Noah's life, in the second month, the 17th day of the month, the same day were all the fountains of the great deep broken up, and the windows of heaven were opened. Jumping down to verse 24, it says, and the waters prevailed upon the earth 150 days. Now this is the next thing. Also for people who use solar lunar, or should I say the Enochian calendar, the thing is, the scripture said 150 days. It did not say 5 months. So no, you cannot take 150 and divide it by 5 to say all the months carry 30 days. That is not biblical, right? I don't know if that aligns with the book of Enoch for those who follow the Enoch, but it does not align with the Bible in total, right? So it says 150 days, not the same as 5 months, right? So just as I can say a period of 7 days, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm saying from Sunday unto Saturday, right? So I already explained that part. So now let's go through this 150 days. It means we are going to go through the days one by one, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. So we have 150 days right here. Let's go to Genesis chapter 8, verse 3, 4. 3 and 4. And the waters returned from off the earth continually, and after the end of 150 days, the waters were abated, and the ark rested in the 7th month and the 17th day of the month. In the 7th month, the 17th day of the month, the ark rested. So at this point, Noah was here in Mount Ararat, right? The 7th month, the 17th of that month. No, says after 150 days, the waters were abated. No, let's count again. Another 150 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150 brings you to the 20th of the 12th month, right? Now, like I said, people who only can see through the Roman calendar, let's say you are on the 20th of December, right? We are on the 20th of the 12th moon. Now, again it says, and the waters returned from off the earth continually, and after the end of the 150 days the waters were abated, and the ark rested in the 7th month and the 17th day of the month upon the mountains of Ararat. Now verse 6 says, and it came to pass at the end of 40 days that Noah opened the window of the ark which he had made. Right? So he sent out a raven, right? Now let's count 40 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 brings you here, right? Now let's see what happens after that. We jump down to verse 10. It says, and he stayed yet other 7 days. So we're here 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are here at the 9th of the second moon. For the Romans, at the 9th of February, right? Now let's go to verse 12. It says, and he stayed yet other 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So from here, going back to the 16th of the second month would be a period of a year, 12 months. Right? Now let's see what happens here in Noah's life. It says, and it came to pass in the 601st year. So what is that telling you? It's a completion of a year. This is why in Noah's life it moved from 600 to 601. That's 354 days on a solar lunar calendar.